Hi guys, good morning. So that's hostel chill steps, and we are out here in Fethiye, and today it's my third day, and that's Heather. She's, I guess, I'm not sure whether the owner or the manager. Yeah, so that's like the hostel. It's like it's, probably like around 2 kilometers away from the city. No, more than that. It's about 5. Uh, This place is called Siflik, and if you head that way, you get the beach, and you've got these campers here, you've got the barbecue pit, and there's a hammock there for people to rest. We've got 2 wonderful dogs out here who are probably hiding in the shade. No, they've been taken to the other house by the owner. We've got bicycles here, so you can head down to the city. Of course, the city is a bit far, but there's a small city center for Shiflik over here that's close by. There's a small gym at the backside, so anyone who wants to use that can use that as well. And let me take you in. So the staff here is really friendly, and here you've got the fridge, they've got Wi-Fi, they've got Netflix as well, so you can watch your favorite movies, you can use your PlayStation, and that's the dormitory here. You've got like 6 beds, and it's really clean out here. The dorm's really clean. The temperature is quite decent, although we are in midsummer. There's a small trail up there, people who want to head up that way. There's an air conditioning, but we haven't been using it for the past 2 days. So that's the kitchen. They've got a nice stove. They've got a refrigerator that's almost full, so you can cook your stuff out here. And let me take you up. You've got more rooms upstairs. You've got a washing machine to do your laundry. You've got to pay for that. So that's the view from the top. Like, it's a wonderful place to be at. I just got back from Istanbul like 3 days ago. I've spent 3 days out here. It's wonderful. It's a laid back city with its laid back environment, and plus the hostel is really cool. I've had a wonderful time out here. That's the main road. That's the Siflik main road. You can keep that mosque as your marking to come down here. It's just like not even 100 meters from that main road, so you can just walk down and come here. There's a mini gym besides on the other side. We've got a few lemon teas as well. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you the dogs over here, so take care of yourself and do visit this place. It's a wonderful hostel. I highly recommend this place. Thanks for watching.